Looking to create a subdomain for your website? In this video, I'll show you how to add a subdomain in GoDaddy in just a few simple steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Locate your domain and click on Manage next to it. Next, scroll down to the DNS Management section and click Manage DNS. This will take you to the DNS settings for your domain. In the DNS Management page, look for the Records section. Click Add to create a new DNS record for your subdomain. For the record type, select A or Name, depending on your needs. Enter the name of the subdomain you want to create. For example, if you want a subdomain like blog, yourdomain.com, enter blog in the host field. Next, for an A record, enter the IP address of the server where your subdomain should point. For a name record, enter the domain name the subdomain will redirect to. Once the information is filled in, click Save to add your subdomain. It may take a few minutes for the changes to take effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a subdomain in GoDaddy. Now, you can start using it for a blog, a store, or any other purpose. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tutorials and website tips.